So unboxing time.
Unboxing time, yeah, woo! Thanks, Reed. So, this video is basically, it's, the people that I really want to thank are, Reed Hirby. He's helping me, he's letting me use the setup. Here's the package. We got, Perm. I won a giveaway of his, and if he hadn't had done that, then the video wouldn't have come true. Same with Speedcube Shop and Lachlan. He's a Fortnite YouTuber. It's just, thank you so much, and let's get into the video. Alright, first off with the clock, instead of the clock, you know, we have some Chinese, Japanese, sorry, there, tell me if you know what that says. Sorry that was out of focus, but how do I open this? I can do that. Ah, I found it. Instructions on clock, and here we go. It's nice. It's not as good as I thought it would be, but it's really good. I feel like if I were to work on some stuff, it would be better. Here's the blue side. There's the other blue side. I don't know why that's moved, but yeah, we'll deal with that later. But yeah. Yeah, start. So now we have my square one. It is a, Reed, help me, what is it? It's a Volt.
Yeah, X-Man Volt.
X-Man Volt, there. So, got instructions, I'm gonna need those. And here it comes inside of a package, but this is hard. The other one that I did, unboxing video, I had really hard trouble opening the GAN R356R. Oh, this is nice. I don't want to mix it up because I don't know how to solve it, but you know what? Too bad. Should I make Reed solve it? No. But the shades are really good. First impressions, really nice. Corner cutting. I'm kidding now. But it's nice. I really like it. Yeah, so we'll see you with maybe 6x6. Who knows? Okay, now we have the Yushin Little Magic 6x6. I've heard really good reviews. Some say that it pops, but who knows? Small. Oh gosh. Well, that's gone. Smaller than I thought. Really nice. Corner cut. I'm kidding now, but it's a bit slower than I like, but you know, put some lube on this, it would be really good. I think it's good for a 6x6, or from what I've tried. I'm not a fan of Reed's. He has one.
I don't like it either, Marcus.
Yeah, well, too bad. So here, there, yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, so here we go. Yeah. That looks nice, big. Oh gosh. Oh. So we have pamphlet. That's good. First impressions. A bit tighter than I think would be good. I don't know what to do because I just don't want to, like, I don't know what would be good for judging. I think it's good. I feel like it would be better with some lube and a bit of tensioning. But other than that, it's great. So, you know, I haven't even... Okay, all the layers feel really good. So, next we're going on to, you'll see. Yeah, woo, first attempt. Okay, so here we go. We got ourselves a, what is it? It is a Aeon. I'm sorry. Magnetic cube. So sorry for the shaking. These are pliers. How does this help? You know what? It does help. Thanks. Alright, so after some difficulty with the weapon, here we go. I recently learned how to do Scube. So, how do I open this? Oh, fancy. See that? Bam, fancy. So, we got this. I have something very similar. It's actually on my GTS 3M. It comes in a case and such. And I've what could be in the little accessories box. Okay, so it has you can replace these little pieces with these. So yeah. There's a screwdriver, nothing much. So put that over here. I can get it open, I think. Yeah. So, oh, that's really nice. Some kids at school said I shouldn't have gotten it, but this is the best Scube, in my opinion, that I've felt. It's really good. I'd say you get it, even though it is $18. So, yeah, really all I can say is it's nice. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, done. This is, Reed forced me to save it for last. I was going to do it second, actually. But here we have the... Okay. Help me. Pronunciation.
Which way?
Yeah, that... No, that was such bad pronunciation. So let's open it up. It's the Uchoy Mini-M. So we got pamphlet. Reed, go fetch me my other one. What? 4x4. It's fine. Get it. Okay. So open up. So that's nice. It's a bit dry. Not as good as I think it would have been. But corner cutting. Reed, tell me how the corner cutting is.
It's not good.
So the magnets feel nice. Should I do yours now?
Yeah, this is the potential.
Okay, this is a potential of one because he got this one and oh, this is nice. A bit more resistance than I wanted, but if you didn't know, there's I use Yao 323 and Reed doesn't. So 323 there. I call it 323. Okay, so here we are with all of the cubes. Oh wait, no. Is that it? Yeah, I think so. So here we go. We have all of the cubes. One's not a cube. I just made that a point to read, but they're all really nice. Not a. You can hear that. Just. I'm gonna have to loop this. I'm going to have. This is not as good as I thought it would be. So. The only regret I have is the Z Cube Cloud 7x7. Everything else is great. I'm probably gonna do a shot of 2x2 through 7x7 because I can. But is there anything I have to say, Reed?
No, I'll shout myself out in editing.
Yeah, shout yourself out, Reed, and shout out to Lachlan and yeah, those people. Link in description, possibly. Who knows?